1 kg marinated chicken, 4 tablespoon onion paste, whole garam masala, 1 cup vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoon of cashew nut paste, 2 teaspoon of red chili paste, heat oil in a cooker, fry marinated chicken, now take out in a plate. Fry whole garam masala, now add onion paste and fry it until it becomes golden in color. Add ginger garlic paste and saute it for few minutes. Now add red chili paste, cashew nut paste and salt. Mix all the ingredients well. Add fried chicken to the masala and close the lid until 2 whistles.